Vaishvik and Srinithi. Today we are going to make a greeting card. You could give this greeting card for anyone you know. I'm going to make this greeting card for my teacher. Because we are going to celebrate Valentine's Day in our school. I'm going to make one greeting card for my teacher because my teacher gave one greeting card for me. Let's get started. You need a square piece of paper. I already cut some square pieces of paper. In this square paper, you have to fold 3 times like a triangle. So, first time, second time, and then the third time. And then with the pencil, from this corner, you have to draw a curve shape. Like this, and with a scissor, you have to cut out more. Now it should come like this. Now when you open it up, it is a flower. Now how to fold it into a flower like a heart. How to fold it into a heart is grab these 2 corners, push them like this, and ta-da! When you fold the other sides, it comes up like a heart. Now I'm going to make all these squares into flowers like this one. I'm going to use this blue paper and these other colors to get some hearts. Like this. Like this. I'm going to repeat to do this for all of them. I'm done with my flowers. Now I'm going to make the card. So you need to take a piece of colored paper and fold it like this. I'm adding these all hearts. And after you fold the color piece of paper, I already made these like the stem of the flower, and you have to glue it like that. Now I stick them together. I'm gonna stick them on my card. I'm done sticking all the green strings. Now I'm gonna add a little flower. I'm going to add this flower right here on top. Now I flipped it over. See what happens when we open it. Ta-da! It comes like a heart family. My card is ready. You could write the person you're sending to, the name here, and you could write all the characteristics in these other flowers. I already added one heart on the front of my card. Now inside I'm going to add little hearts on my card. I am writing all the characteristics of my teacher.
I'm adding the hearts.
I'm done.
Mine is also done.